We're watching Bitcoin today, of course. It's trying to bounce after posting its fourth weekly loss in 5. It is above 105,000, up about 1%. Bill Baruch, your move is that you bought more Coinbase because you think the worst of the Bitcoin slide is over?
I think there's a lot of support at the $100,000 level. But we're also seeing data right now that's telling us that crypto is becoming a real asset or a diversifier in portfolios. Those were the flows. And we wanted to add Coinbase. We started with a 1% position ahead of earnings. This morning, we added another 50 basis points. The earnings were tremendous. I mean, 44% year-over-year growth in stablecoin revenues. The earnings themselves grew over 400%. And I think the interesting thing is, with the government shutdown looking to end, it opens the door to SEC activity and meeting crypto rulings. And Brian Armstrong, he's been spending quite a bit of time in D.C. So it came off the 200-day moving average on Friday. A lot of support down there, and I think we could see this thing higher here at the end of year.
All right, good stuff. Thanks for sticking around, too. I wanted our viewers to hear from you on that, so I appreciate you doing that. That's Bill Baruch. We'll see you on the desk. I want to give you a story, too, in related news. The famed short seller, Jim Chanos, he has unwound his short position in the crypto treasury company Strategy run by Michael Saylor. He told clients in a letter, quote, "While we believe there is more room for net asset value compression, the thesis is largely played out." We talked to him, if you recall, at the Sohn conference about this short. What do you think about crypto treasury stocks?
You know, I just think that when you have no intrinsic value underlying this, that's very difficult to short because you've got to wait for that moment in time. Jim was successful in this one. But others that have tried to short this or, well, eToro is well off its highest when it was an IPO. I just think it's very difficult to do it. It's a cult like Tesla. Even though Tesla has always been overvalued and the fundamentals have deteriorated, if you're short, you've lost a lot of money.
Yeah.
So it's best not to do sometimes what is the obvious.
I mean, you can see the chart has certainly worked in Jim's favor.
It was a great call. I mean, you took a company and basically you've just turned it into a crypto vehicle with lots of leverage. So you just don't want to be leveraged to assets like this.